All right, y'all. Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Another day in the market. Got the Fed's been coming on. I think the new one coming on today to speak to see whether they're going to give us an interest rate cut for 2026. So the market kind of selling off for that reason. Got a lot of tech stocks got earnings this week. Robinhood had bad earnings. SoFi had bad earnings. A lot of companies came out with some bad earnings, but you're gonna see when I take you to Robinhood and Weebles. Well, Weeble just pulling back because with the rest of the market, but SoFi and Robinhood definitely had bad earnings, but we're gonna get through it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. Let's go get some growth stocks. We'll add on to our growth positions and our cash flow positions. Urgent buys, urgent sales. I did take profits on Amazon. I took some at right before earnings came out this morning. They had good earnings. I had to set from yesterday at $264.50. I took some profit. I was up like 26%, $397. I took the $397. Said I let the rest ride. I do have like five point something shares left. Let's go get us some cash flow, man. HRZN going back this way, 6 cents a share a month, down to 385 today. I should have picked up 25 shares if it did get it. I don't think there you go, 385. There you go, right there. I got this on $2 a day recurring, waiting on that to hit. Y'all that is in this play, I would probably stay out of it. Whirlpool, going to get some to lower your average cost if you are in it. 8.06% dividend yield. It is undervalued. 52-week high, 111.96. A lot of people are fixing what they have instead of replacing them. So the sales are down. Another one for y'all to get. I got this on recurring investments. KLIP. Got this on $10 a day. Usually pays in the high 60, 62 to 68 cents. But since the stock been down, they've been paying like 51 cents a share bunt. But still good cash flow to have. The higher the stock price, the higher the payout. The lower the stock price, the lower the payout. Gonna get some SVOL. Paying 28 cents a share for this month. I'm gonna pick up me a little bit of this here. Ain't got to add much. If it was around that 1501 range, it'd be something different. I'd be doing $20 a day. WEN, Wendy's. $6.76 today at $6.78. What I got? I'm at $6.77, 332 shares. Just adding on to my current position. Gonna sell that around about 7. Probably might hold it about 742. Wendy's got earnings coming out too soon. LFGY is options on crypto and tech. No, that's down. 2180. I got this on recurring investment, $1 a day. Average cost $23.96. I'm going to get another $2 worth while I'm online with y'all. Let's go look at Bull. I went and brought like $2 of that. I got a sell limit order at $7.76 to get rid of some of my shares. So anytime Weeble pull back, you can buy some Weeble. Like I say, these long-term plays, Weeble hasn't had earnings yet, but if SoFi and Robinhood came up short, Weeble probably will too. SoFi right here, I already got like $100 worth. Going to get another 10. They said it's got to reach the $20 mark for it to show that it's bullish. I be letting mine go in the $18 range. Hold the rest to run. All right, let's get to Robinhood. Should be in the low 70s still. 71.04. Add on me a little bit more of that. Just dollar cost averaging. Still holding on to Robinhood. It's a long-term play. Now this what I'm gonna load up on HOOW. Or you could do HOOY. I'm gonna take it by both of them. This HOOY. It's the Yield Max Robinhood cover call ETF. If you look at the last month, how this flew up when Robinhood went up to that $80.90 range. Now it's coming back down. So I'm definitely buying this one. I got HOOY and HOOW. I didn't mean to have both, but I'm gonna play it how it go. Probably gonna sell the HOOY and stick with the W. I like the round hills better for some reason. 21.47. I'm at 23.60. So we're gonna add on there. 3.79. I'm at 23.70. I'm sorry. Charge point long-term play was down like 6% today. Add a little $3 on to that when it was to its low. That's another one I need to start swing trading if it pull on back. We're gonna do earn 8 cents a share every month. Go ahead and get you some of this earn. LFT got down to 119 when I added some of that to my position also. I'm at 143 now. 52-week low 118. It's at 120. I'm gonna go pick up a couple shares, right? A couple more. I also got a dividend yield 14.75% payout every quarter. I'm gonna get 5 more shares. All right, that LFT, that's gonna be a nice swing trade. I like it when they go to about 150. I sell them and keep the rest of the shares for the dividend. Got HRL, Hormel Foods coming on down, 5.46% dividend yield. You know, that position is in another portfolio, but just pointing it out to y'all. General Mills. I also brought some of that. The lower the price, the higher the dividend yield, 6.99% yield. For some consistent cash flow. When it goes up, I will be selling it and exiting my position. Gladstone payout every month. It's here pulling on back. Adding on to it slowly. We'll go with NFLY. Netflix not where I want it to be, but still at a price I can come down in and nibble at. I already brought like $2 worth a day. Netflix trading in the I think like $91 range. You really want it in the 80, low 70s, high 70s, low 80s, but this can still go 52 high 134.12. So something for you to just nibble at for now. MITT, I brought some of this. This one came down today also 6%. It's at 766. 52 high 927. 633 is the low. P ratio is at a 9. 10.87% quarterly dividend. And some more of that for that dividend. Knock that down. Probably gonna be one I'm gonna exit also. Gonna operate a little lean on these REITs and BDCs because they taking a beating, and I don't really think it's gonna get any better for the future. Got DISO. I want to pick some of this up at $9.93 and at $9.91 today. Pay out every week. $9.53 is the low. It could come down to see what it's gonna do. That's Disney. Options on Disney. TLTW. Buying DISO at $10 and under. Two shares a day. 22.33 pays out every month. Got a dividend yield. It's really a double-digit yield. I'll show you what this pay out every month. This for April. Paid out 21 cents a share. You need to put this on recurring investment. I don't know why they add this ladder thing, man, but please get out my way so I can trade. See, I think it's trading this 52-week low too. It's at 22.33. The low is 22.18. Buy some of this cash flow right here. How many shares I got? 33.26. Whatever. I meant to do 100. I'll take that. All right. The other one, RWT, Redwood Trust. Came down some too today at 562. 12.52% yield. P ratio negative 9.31, which is good. It's undervalued. 52-week low is $5. High 697. Add another $2 worth on to that. We'll get some ORC, reduces dividend to 10 cents a share a month from 12 cents. Only reason it's down, you got to expect that for high yielding REITs and BDCs. Anyway, when it got some of that, couple dollars worth. Nothing big. Ticker NKE, Nike. 44.29. Definitely want to get my average cost below the $50 mark. So I've been getting like $20 a day on the red days. BXMT, that's what I'm talking about. This had bad earnings. Blackstone, 1890 I'm at 2021, 9.4% quarterly payment with yield. P ratio is at a 31, 52-week high is 2066, low 1766. Can this come down? Yes, it can. Like I say, I'm gonna be getting rid of a lot of these BDCs and REITs coming up with bad earnings. MSTY down 3.64%. I think I already got $2 worth of this. Gonna go get some more in the days it's down. Nice discount. You can load up. If any of y'all want to load up on MSTY, do it at 22 and under. ACHR, Arc Aviation. Definitely a future play. I went and got like $2 worth for this today. 1462 is the 52-week high. Okay, eVTOL era is beginning with Uber and Joby. Joby is another company, which is a competition of ACR, Arca Aviation. Upside for recent share price swings. So I'm just dollar cost averaging on into it. I want to keep me 500 shares to run. I will be swing trading it. I got 590 at 633. I got a sell limit order for 67 shares at 649. Go get another $2 worth right now. So that's how I'm playing that one. I got 2 more on my watch list. We can finish up this video. Coney came down 7% today. These are prices you want to buy it. Or reinvest the dividends that pay out every week. Options on Coinbase. We're going to get ORs. No, OXSQ had bad earnings. Got down to 172 in the pre-market today. That was definitely a nice time to buy. So what I'm going to do is go put that buy limit order at 172. People going to buy this for the cash flow, pay 3.5 cents a share every month. 25 shares at that price. If it ever go touch it again. All right, we can check our traps and get on out of here. Which I done think went through this earlier today. So PSEC went down to 269. Went 277. Add some PSEC on. Not recurring by limit order 25, 2.68. Haven't brought any of this in a while. Really, you want to load up around 260. Let me modify this one. Just pick up 5 shares and dollar cost average on in. 260 and lower when you can get them 25 shares a day. All right, PSEC pay 4.5 cents a share every month. SCM, I got this on like $2 a day in recurring. Pays out every month. A little discount today. Had bad earnings, 15.89% yield. Like I was telling you, a lot of these things, BXMT, we got this earlier. Blackstone had bad earnings. So if you can get out of these plays, RC I'm going to get out of. Ready Capital, just waiting on that to take off one good time. I'm at 196, is at 180. Still too high for me to buy. That's one I'm going to exit. TCPC, OBDC. Gonna be some more I'm going to exit out of. Penny Mac. Nice one to have. Might be one I'm just going to swing trade and make my exit when it's low, buy it low and sell it. See Starwood, see if this came back down. Nice one to have. 10.45% dividend yield, pay out every quarter. It's a nice stock here. It's one you probably can keep. Got PFLT on 2-day recurring. AFCG, another one I'm going to get out of. I'm at 290, waiting on that to squeeze up so I can make my exit. ORC, 10 cents a share a month. I'll be swing trading that one. APLY is one to watch too with Apple. 11.93. So recurring $2 a day, so I'm going to leave it alone. MSFO, definitely one that's come below 12 bucks. I'm going to load up. I already did some loading up. I'm at 12.79, 335 shares, $2 a day recurring for now. Did Glad already. Let's look at Suns. I'm at 991, 742. 52-week low is 737, 15.75% yield. Definitely time to get some of this to lower your average cost. 1575, 1178, 737. Well, I'm looking at, I got 11.37 shares. If you're gonna do it, it's the time to do it. Throw 100 right there. That should drop that lower average cost down, 856. I can roll with that. We'll get another 100 worth. Do 50. Make it a buck. Ain't gonna be nice. Get that back in the dividend. All right, 816. So what you got to do in this low, man, you got to buy to lower the average cost. Especially you want to make your exit. You're gonna get the dividend every quarter, just hoping it just don't go down too much. Say DEA, I should be almost up or at the market price. Charge point, we got that. We got Hood, all that. SoFi. We got LFGY, GPTY 41. So we up. Everything should be good. I pretty much checked everything before. Tesla, got that on $2 a day recurring. That just slowly reinvests its dividends. What I got on $1 a day. That's TSLY, pay out every week. Get that. That should be pretty much it. Gonna got everything else. Yep. I've been waiting on this one to come on down. But that's it. Signing off. Go get your money.